Have you ever wished that you could multiply your sales productivity, but by taking some work off of your plate? What if I told you that the future of sales isn't about working harder, but about working infinitely smarter with a little help from AI? Today we're going to look at the world of AI for sales and the different ways that you can leverage this tech to make both your life and bottom line a whole lot better. From crafting personalized content at lightning speeds to dissecting data for deep insights, we'll use this video to explore how this technology isn't just changing the game, but creating a whole new playing field. First up, let's start with how Gen AI is changing content creation and what this means for sales teams. With easily accessible AI writing tools like Copy.ai, sales reps can now generate tons of personalized, on-branded messages in a fraction of the time that it used to take them. But this isn't just about blind efficiency, it's about both precision and personalization at scale.
It all happens so fast.
With Copy.ai workflows, for example, you can create personalized pitches to your audience based on just their LinkedIn URL and a little information about your product or service. And if you have a ton of LinkedIn URLs for your leads, say in a CSV file, you can run everything in bulk. That means personalizing each of your cold outbound emails to the exact recipient you want to speak with, but doing that at a larger scale than you've ever done before. Okay, let's look at AI for data analysis and insights. Generative AI paired with natural language processing is changing the way sales data is analyzed. Imagine a tool that not only reads through your CRM data, but also understands and interprets customer conversations, market trends, and sales patterns. Now, this is the power of AI in data analysis for sales. It provides accurate lead scoreizing that prioritizes prospects based on their sales readiness. It provides in-depth performance tracking, identifying coaching opportunities and process improvements. It also provides sentiment analysis, revealing customer pain points and buying signals for better tailored pitches. And finally, AI will give you predictive analytics that forecast sales outcomes, helping leaders fine-tune their strategies.
That exists?
So a great example of this, Rob Mosley, the head of growth on our team, actually made a workflow that scores leads after sales calls. So this process takes the call transcript, it segments and classifies the leads, and then it notifies the sales teams in Slacks and provides reasoning with why it thinks a lead should or should not be pursued. And even though he hates to admit it, Rob has to say that Copy.ai is often better at understanding when and why the team should follow up with a sale than even he can with his years of experience. But to be fair, Rob did build the workflow, so it's kind of using his wisdom anyhow. Next up, let's look at how AI is taking sales operations to the next level. AI is automating the tedious tasks that can bog down a sales team, like updating CRM records, scheduling follow-ups, and generating performance reports. With AI, these tasks are not just faster, they are so much smarter. Sales reps can rely on AI-powered assistants to handle the logistics, ensuring that no lead is neglected and every follow-up is both timely and personalized. Operations leaders gain real-time insights from AI-generated dashboards, and this eliminates the need for manual number crunching. For our team, this has translated to sales notes being automatically entered into Salesforce, which is something that used to take a lot of motivations to get all the reps to do correctly. Now the process is on autopilot, so the entire team has full transparency into each new lead in the pipeline. This also translates to a better customer experience because we have more data to tell us about their problems and the best way Copy.ai can solve them. If it's true that knowledge equals power, then hands down, AI provides more knowledge on your leads from sales call transcripts than most humans ever could by hand, especially if they're trying to pay attention to the call rather than just taking notes on it. Finally, let's look at how AI is optimizing sales enablement. Sales enablement is crucial for equipping teams with the skills and knowledge they need for success. AI is redefining this space by offering personalized, adaptive training and coaching.
Teach me.
There's no teaching.
Through call analysis and real-time feedback, AI tools are like personal sales coaches that never miss a beat. They create custom training plans that adapt as a rep will learn and grow, ensuring that every member of your sales force is not just prepared, but are actually primed for peak performance. And this frees up your senior sales staff to focus on higher-end deals, while your junior sales reps still get the attention and training they need to be successful long-term. So, in short, how is AI changing sales? Generative AI is more than a tech trend. It's a complete paradigm shift that's empowering sales teams with capabilities beyond what we once thought possible. With platforms like Copy.ai actively shaping sales strategies, the future of sales has the potential to be the best it's ever been. So if you're looking to harness the power of Gen AI for your sales team, Check out Copy.ai and start revolutionizing your approach to sales today. And don't forget, every time you like, share, and subscribe this video, a baby penguin slides belly down on a rainbow. See you next time.